Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about one of the most important part of microelectronics, that is bipolar junction transistor or BJT. So this is the figure of a BJT. There are three terminals, that is emitter, base and collector, and this is the sign of BJT. So today we are going to discuss about the definition of BJT, its name, types of BJT, symbol, doping, the thickness of three regions and the region of BJT. So at first, definition. What is a BJT? A BJT is a three-terminal device that can be used as a switch or amplifier based on the input signal. In digital electronics, it can be used as a switch, but in analog electronics, it can be used as an amplifier. We will talk about this in later parts. Why bipolar junction transistor? Bipolar, both electrons and holes are charge carriers. In BJT, both electrons and holes carry the charges that causes current to flow. That's why its name is bipolar. And transistor stands for transfer resistor. BJT transfer low resistance to high resistance. As I said, BJT is a three-terminal device. The emitter has low resistance of approximate zero resistance, and the collector has resistance of infinite. So, in BJT, the emitter transfers low resistance to the collector to the high resistance. That's why it's called transfer resistor or transistor. There are two types of BJT based on the dopings, NPN types and PNP types. In NPN type BJT, the base is positively doped, that is, it is doped with holes, but the emitter and collectors are negatively doped, that is, they are doped with negative charge or electrons. But in the PNP transistor, the base is doped with negative charge, that means it is doped with electrons, but the emitter and the collector is doped with positive charge or holes. These two are the symbol of NPN type transistor BJT, and this is the PNP type transistor BJT. In NPN type BJT, we can see that this is the sign of current coming in the active region. So in NPN type transistor BJT, the current actually comes from base to emitter. That's why the arrow is faced to the emitter. But in the PNP type transistor BJT, the current transfers from emitter to the base region, that is, it is faced to the base region. In BJT, the emitter is heavily doped and it supplies electron to the base. But the base is slightly doped and the doping concentration of the collector is between emitter and base. It collects electrons from the base. Thickness. The thickness of emitter is greater than base, that is, it is thick. The base is very thin compared to the emitter and collector, and the collector is very much thick compared to the two regions, that is emitter and the base. As collector collects electron from the emitter and base, it is thick. Next, there are three regions. They are active region, cutoff region, and saturation region. Another special type of region, that is reverse saturation region, but it is not used for general cases. In the active region, the emitter base junction is forward biased and the base voltage is greater than the emitter voltage, but the base collector region is reverse bias and the collector voltage is greater than the base voltage. So, in the active region, the collector voltage is the highest than the base voltage and the emitter voltage is lowest. In cutoff region, the emitter base region, it is reverse bias. The emitter voltage is greater than the base voltage, but the base collector region is reverse bias and the collector voltage is greater than the base voltage. Next, in the saturation region, the emitter base region is forward bias and the base voltage is greater than the emitter voltage. But in the base collector region, it is also forward bias and the base voltage is greater than the collector voltage. Next, reverse active region. In this type of region, the emitter base is reverse biased and emitter voltage is greater than the base voltage, and the base collector is forward biased and the base voltage is greater than the collector voltage. But as the gain in of the reverse active region is so small, it is not generally used, and it is just opposite to the active region. There are three configurations of BJT. They are common emitter, common base, and common collector. We will talk about this later. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.